Hey, this is Naturally TC coming at you with this stitch braid video. My client, he came in, he usually gets like either 2 braids back or I think we did the pop smoke braids on him one time. So this time he asked for stitch braids. Now that is not a part of my offering, but you know what? I said I would try it, right? I think I'm gonna tag the girl's video that I looked at to kind of see how to do this, but this is the method I came up with after going through his head. So what I did was applied the little jam to both sides of the braid, and what you're gonna see me do is I'm gonna go through and do the stitch parting ahead of time and put the jam in the parting. So what this does is goes ahead and like separates the stitches for you, because if you're trying to grab the hair as you go, it's a little bit, it gets messy. And I guess the idea for the stitch braiding is that it's super neat. Please excuse this towel I had on my head. I was doing a conditioning treatment on my hair and doing everybody else's hair at the same time. I know. And this was supposed to be my day off, but I decided to come in anyway. So that's my excuse for that. Yeah. So anywho, so as you can see, I'm going through the braids and I'm just applying the jam through the parting so that it's easier for me to grab the hair once I go through and start braiding. And you do like not an under braid, but I don't know if they call it, do they call it an over braid? I don't even know. Like a regular cornrow, but on top, but I can't for some reason remember what it's called. But anyway, yeah, so I went through, I put that through, and sometimes you do more than one, I guess, like turn. So like, you know how you braid, like I'm gonna start the braid, see, start the braid 1, 2, 3, then I pick up. You see, I picked up 2, so I did twice and then picked up again. And see how it's already divided because I went through and did the partings. So for me, that is the easiest way to do it, is go ahead and preset your parts. So when you're going through and picking up that hair, I'm sorry y'all, that's my tea kettle. Sorry. When you're going through picking up the hair is really easy, and you don't have to fight with the hair other than just combing out the hair along the way so that the braids are nice and neat. After I finish my braid, I am going to use the Main Life Mint Foam on top just to give it that nice shine and lay down any of the hairs that are loose. I am going to put a do-rag on him and place him under a hooded dryer for about 15 minutes. And then you will see the finished look at the end. It comes out really well, all right? So leave your comments below. I'm just trying out some new things. I changed like some things on my price list, trying to just narrow down my services and do the stuff that I'm super good at and leave the other stuff to other people. So making those decisions, making those changes, but this is kind of fun. It's like maybe like the 5th time I ever tried them. So I don't think it came out too bad. I know it could be like, I think he only wanted 6 braids, but I think he could have went with 8. So maybe next time we'll try 8 and then I'll post it again. All right, y'all have a wonderful evening. Thank you for watching. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I am Naturally TC. See you next time.